Oh yes, it's time for some more of the wonderful Ella. Last time we saw her, she was a redhead, and she's also been blonde this year. But now it's time to go for a deep brunette with a graphic but blended face frame. Now I'm starting off with that face frame application, and of course I'm using my Foil Me foils. I've got both the original here and the wide in silver with the Grip Me texture. Although we want our result to be super bold, we do want it to still be blended. I'm working back from the face here with very fine sections, and the only hair I'm leaving out is the hair that's not woven and put in the foil. And here you can see just how fine that first section is. So fine, in fact, that you can see through it. Whilst I don't always fold over both sides of the foil, I would with a face frame just to make sure it stays really close to the root. Now here's my woven section again, and you can see it's really fine, and the only hair that's not going in the foil is the hair that's been woven out. That's one side finished. Now it's time to move on to the other. Here I am again, back at that face frame, right at the front of the hairline, working back from the face. And there's another look at that super fine section, becoming slightly bolder as I work up to midpoint between the hairline and the crown. Now our foils are in, it's time to apply our demi-permanent colour. I'm using Shades Hue Gloss here, and you can see the formula is on the screen. It has a slightly cool background to counteract the copper Auburn tones existing in Ella's hair. After 20 minutes processing, we rinsed, shampooed and rough dried Ella's hair, ready for her face frame to be glossed. Now it's really crucial to do this part of the process to make sure you blend those stitch marks and pull everything together. And now it's time for more of Ella's reveal. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and make sure you're subscribed. There's loads more top tips, formulas and my hair day to day over on my Instagram.